Okay, started.
Okay. So now last week we discussed the inventory valuation using first in first out method. Today we will continue understanding how to do the inventory valuation using weighted average method. Usually nowadays in common business, in practice many people use weighted average method. Also accounting softwares, they also use the weighted average method. We will try to understand this now. Date, description,
بالجردات اللي هي دفتر الأستاذ.
receipt, issues, balance. This one quantity, this column quantity, this column rate, this column value. Rate, value. Quantity, rate, value. Quantity, rate, value. We will use the same example we used for FIFO method. Now let's see the question now.
So which number, please?
Should be there. On 1 January 2017, a company held 200 units of finished goods, valued at $10 each. During January, the following transaction took place. So first, we will have to take this. 200 units,
10
$10, yes. So, that is 1 January. Opening balance, 200 units, $10, 2,000. That's the first step you should do.
1 January.
Balance.
هذه هي يجي ولا ما يجي؟
يجي. الحين اوكي. 20 ريال.
20 ريال. اوكي هذا ما في مشكلة. هذا اللي توب. أول تيجي 20 أنا أصلا خلاص.
ايوه.
Okay, so now this is clear. Now let's move on to the next part of the question. See, I will be going with the date order. 10, 14, 20, 21, 25, 28. First item is 10 January. We received, we purchased. So, 10 January purchase. The purchase we should write it in the receipt column. How many quantities we purchased?
300.
300. What is the price?
10.85.
10.85. So how much?
3255.
3255. Now what you do is, carefully watch. I have how many quantities?
200.
200. Now how much I purchased?
300.
My stores, now how much I will have now?
500.
500. And what was the value in the stores before I buy this?
2,000.
2000. What is the value of the item I purchased?
3,000.
So total value will be how much?
5,200.
5,255. Am I right? Now what you do is 5,255. Please divide by this.
10.51.
10.51. 51. For the sake of understanding, I will use a different color. Anyway, so next one, next answer now in this one. .51, huh? Okay, next item. 14 January, we issue how many units?
200.
280. In this method, when we issue 214 January, we sales 200. What is
Back.
really I'm missing some technical knowledge here. No, yes. 14 January sales 218. At what price we should issue?
10.51.
10.51. Because now we are following weighted average method, so we should follow. I'm sorry, 10.5 this. So 10.51. How much?
2942.80.
2,942.80.
42.80.
About sale price, no need, huh?
No, we don't worry about the sales price for the purpose of value in the inventory. The sales price we need to calculate the sales. We will do later.
So Muhammad,
Yes. Yeah.
هقول له يا باشا.
اتفضل.
ماشي. Why you go middle one, middle column? This says
This one?
yes. Why you type in middle column?
Right.
No?
Wait.
No. This middle part.
Yes, this is issue. See, Habibi. Show him. Receipt, issue, balance. When you buy, I record in this column. When you sell, I record in this column.
Okay.
Whether buy or sell, I will record the balance in this column.
Okay. Regarding the price, why you type here 10.51?
10 point, that's what the method we are following. We are following, Habibi.
Not this table. Sales price.
No, sales price you will take it for the purpose of calculating the total sales. Now I am working out how much is the cost of the inventory.
سعر التكلفة يعني.
What's your question?
Last example,
Hmm.
we take it
First in-
200 first and
Exactly.
yes,
Mm.
this different. We
Yeah.
take
Total.
average.
Total.
Average.
Total, but this average.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, now one mathematics question. Okay, now how much balance?
220.
How much?
220.
220. That's not the mathematics question anyway.
10.5.
And then, what is the answer here? 5255 minus 2942.8.
2312.20.
2312.20. Now the mathematics question. What should be the answer? Without using calculator, can you tell me?
10.51.
It should be 10.51. Your average should be the same. 10 point. Even if you calculate, you should get that answer. This divided by this.
Yes.
Okay, this is clear now?
This last number,
This one?
51.
5255 minus.
Yes, minus this one. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Fine. Next. We again buy. We buy on the 20 January 350 units at 11.5. 20 January we purchase 350 unit 11.5. What is the value? 350 into
4025.
4025.
25.
Now 220. My closing balance before this transaction is 220. Now
4025.
350.
Equal to 570.
570. And then 2312.20. Now my value of purchase is 4025. So how much?
6337.2.
6337. Sorry.
6337.
Now the average 6337.2 divided by
11.11.
7.11.
18.
11.18.
18. Because other decimals are 7 shown.
Like this.
So 11.18.
11.18 exactly.
Okay.
Now 1 2.
1 2 not 1 8.
1 2.
Maybe is it like this one?
Yeah, 1 2.
So it should be 11.12. Okay. So the next
Sales.
This 63 under
hmm?
63.
What 63?
This one, last number 570 into 11.
Minus 70 into. Oh, no. You see how you got this number? 2312.20 plus 4020. You get this number. And how you get this number? 220 plus 350. And how do you get this number?